Former State Senator John McGee is expected to plead guilty to misdemeanor charges of disturbing the peace and a parole violation when he appears in 4th District Court August 21st.
Both charges are linked to sexual harassment allegations that led to McGee's resignation from the Senate last February. Tonight, I talked to an attorney about the consequences of a guilty plea as the free fall continues for a politician who used to be one of the shining stars in the Idaho Republican Party. It's tonight's big story. Disturbing the peace by itself is a misdemeanor, but for John McGee, it could be much worse.
If there is an admission of culpability, there's a very strong chance that somebody would take civil action, whether it was for their own justification, as kind of punishment to get back at this person, or whether it was financial gains or a mixture of both. There's certainly an opportunity and a reason to do that.
Yes, sure. So far, there's no word of a civil suit, and Idaho State Police say they have ended their investigation into John McGee, which Bond says likely means there are no more criminal charges pending.
If there was sufficient evidence to support a higher level crime, they would have charged it.
But McGee's worries don't end there. If he pleads guilty to disturbing the peace, he would be in violation of his probation for the DUI he received last year.
The judge can assess up to the maximum penalties that he at once had withheld, so they get to reevaluate the whole case.
Up to this point, he has served only 2 days for the DUI. A judge suspended 175 days, and he could face another 180 days for the disturbing the peace. Although in most cases, Bond says judges give far less than the maximum. The judge in McGee's DUI case gave a withheld judgment, which means if he avoided any further crimes, McGee would have been free and clear.
If probation is completed successfully, it can be eventually dismissed off his record. It'll look like there was never a crime. But a term and condition of that probation is you don't commit any new crimes.
So, if he admits guilt in August, it's possible a DUI conviction could follow McGee for the rest of his life. Bond says while the judge can impose the maximum penalty for the DUI and for the disturbing the peace charge, McGee is likely to get just a matter of weeks